Imagine this. It's a bright morning. You check your bank account and money's been added overnight. No extra hours, no weekend grind, but there it is, growing. Sound too good to be true? It's not. This is the power of passive income. And right now, in your 20s, is the best time to start building it. Sound appealing? Or do I hear you thinking, yeah, right, this stuff's only for billionaires? Newsflash, passive income isn't just for millionaires, it's for those who are strategic. So, if you're ready to make the most of your 20s, stick with me because we're about to dive deep into real ways you can start making money while you sleep. But here's the catch. Not all passive income is created equal. Some paths are quicksand disguised as gold. Let's start simple. You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to make money passively. High-interest savings accounts and dividend stocks are two ways to make your money work for you from day one. With savings accounts, your cash grows thanks to compound interest. Interest on top of interest. It's slow but steady. Think of it as the financial equivalent of planting a tree. Not exciting today, but tomorrow, a solid shade tree. And dividend stocks? Imagine getting paid just for holding onto a stock. Kind of like getting a surprise thank you card from the company every few months. Hey, thanks for sticking with us. Here's some cash. But if this sounds like baby steps, let's talk about ways to really move the needle. Next up, something with a bit more kick. Real estate crowdfunding. Now, here's where things get interesting. Most people think owning property is out of reach in their 20s, but real estate crowdfunding lets you invest in properties with just a small stake. Picture this, owning a part of a high-rise without a mortgage, without managing tenants, without even lifting a paintbrush. Doesn't that sound better than spending your hard-earned money on that fifth cup of overpriced coffee? With real estate crowdfunding, you're building an empire, one brick at a time. Just think about it. Curious how to do this safely without taking huge risks? We'll get there. Here's something even your friends won't have thought of. Peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms designed to connect borrowers with investors like you. As they pay back, you earn interest, transforming you from a borrower to the bank. Trust me, you'll feel like a financial boss collecting your mini loan payments each month. No need to chase people down, the platform does the work. Sounds incredible, right? But what if you're strapped for cash to invest? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk about something close to home. Digital products. Imagine you create an ebook, an online course, or even graphic templates. You make it once, but it sells over and over. Digital products are like the gift that keeps on giving. They don't take up space, they don't go bad, and there's no limit to how many you can sell. Is there something you know, a skill you have that someone else would pay for? You might not realize it, but there's something unique in what you do every day. Wondering where to start and how to make sure people actually buy what you create? Just wait. Last but not least, let's talk about a power play in the passive income world, affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You promote a product or service, people buy through your link, and you earn a commission. Think about it. You're recommending things you love anyway, like your favorite app, a useful gadget, or even a financial course. It's like being a secret agent, but for discounts and cool products, no really. You're getting paid to share what you already like. But hold on. Before you start dreaming of luxury yachts and private jets, there are traps to avoid. Here's the bottom line. Passive income doesn't mean instant. It means sustainable. It means setting up your life so that no matter what happens, your finances are protected. Building wealth in your 20s is like planting a field. It takes time, patience, and effort at the start, but once it's grown, it can feed you for a lifetime. If you're still watching, you're ahead of 90% of people your age who may never start. The time is now, not someday. So take one small step today. Choose one of these methods, just one. Invest, start learning, or begin creating. And before you know it, you'll be earning while you sleep. Hit like if this inspired you to take control of your future, and subscribe for more ways to build a life you'll love. Remember, in your 20s, every rupee invested, every effort counts double. So, are you in?